Monster rally, non-stop rally in BitMine. Yes, you heard it right. We actually are 5% again up in the pre-market. That's because Ethereum is up 3% and we are just getting started. We will talk about in this video how precise our BitMine technical prediction was actually a couple of days ago and why we maybe are on a huge bull run now from here.
Welcome to the game, I'm the wolf of Dubai.
If you don't know who I am, then my name is Danny and I'm looking for stocks that can go up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50x. And I did this with Tesla. So my subscribers bought houses and apartments just because of my free content here on YouTube. I mean, if this is not enough for you to subscribe to this channel and smash the like button, then I don't know what is, okay? And with BitMine, we see a very, very similar ride. Obviously, it's very volatile like all the early investments of mine. This is even connected to Ethereum, which is one of the most volatile assets out there, okay? Crypto is most volatile. If you've never been in crypto, then this is a roller coaster, okay? This is totally normal. Now, I also have my private trading group. And guess what? Exactly. We haven't lost a trade in the first 2 days of the week. The first trade was on a winner. Second one was a winner on Nvidia yesterday. And we are just gaining those short-term portfolios of all of my members. And if you want to be part of that, make sure to get and schedule a call with me personally if you have $10,000 or more to get started. We want to achieve between 8 to 15% per month, okay? Somewhere around like 3 to 4% per week. Compounded, that brings you to the 12 to 15%. And if you start with $10,000, that compounded would lead to $58,000 in your portfolio. If this is interesting for you, then schedule a call today because we are raising the joining fee obviously every single month because we are a very exclusive group and our software does it all for you. The buying, the selling, made by our team. Okay, so BitMine is on an absolutely run. And I said this many times before, I think we saw the bottom, okay? We maybe tested the 35 level, went a little bit down because of the Monday kind of washout. And it might be the last washout because today there is the Fusaka upgrade. And the last time that we had these upgrades for Ethereum, that happened to be one of the most amazing rallies for Ethereum. And therefore, the story for BitMine currently is not the good stock market, not new all-time highs. It's the Ethereum pushing the stock a little bit higher every single day, okay? And imagine if on average till the end of the year, we will have like 5 to 3% days. Well, that will be an absolutely insane number for BitMine, okay? So if you are on board, let me know in the comments what you are holding, why you are holding it, and what is your goal with BitMine shares. Now, let's dive into the technicals and let's just appreciate how perfectly on point we were so far. Let's dive in.
Brilliant day for BitMine. And as you can see, first of all, please, how good was that prediction? You remember back in the 26th of November, I did the following prediction, okay? I said, I think that we will go a little bit lower. We test this line somewhere here. Then we will test the $35 mark. Then we go a little bit longer. And then the second time we will just break through 35, which is a very important level, guys, okay? To really have a substantial rally here, 35 is very, very important, okay? You can see here we fight it back in July for this level, and this level is, in my personal opinion, for the recovery, very, very, very important, okay? Now, let's see what BitMine actually did, okay? So if you are looking into the chart, you see that it actually went a little bit higher, right? So we tested the 35 levels a little bit sooner than I expected, but exactly we bounced off and then we saw some lows here. I think on Monday it started to be very low again, below 30s, but it recovered quite quickly. And now we are going to attempt the second time of 35 levels. I think it's just a matter of a couple of days, maybe even hours, that we break through 35 levels. Okay, once we break through 35 levels, I think we will go straight to 40. Okay, I think that we will go straight to 40 to test 40 next. I think at the first time we might bounce off again. Maybe then we test again the 35 levels and then we go higher. And then, somewhere around here, 45 levels, 50 levels are the levels that I would love to see mid of December. You remember, we have also the Fed, right? Right here, 10th of December. We have today the Fusaka update, right? Also very bullish for Ethereum. So a lot of things are piling up here very nicely. And I think the only reason why BitMine is not even higher is because the overall market is still quite muted today. Okay, the only things that actually ran today was Tesla. By the way, we did a fantastic Tesla call in our group today. Let me see if I can show it to you really quick. Yeah, this is, you can see we did this kind of a trade here, right? So we decided to go on the Tesla, and we took the 445 call. We entered at 267, we exited at 320. All done for you with our software for all our members. So that was quite successful. But yeah, so that's essentially the chart here. We're going to a little bit of neutral levels in the RSI, so that's good to go as well still, right? So away from this oversold levels here. We are just in the middle here, 45. So I think that there's still lots of room to go. So all in all, everything looks perfect prime for BitMine to go even higher the next couple of days and weeks, okay, till the end of the year, what exactly Tom Lee saying as well, right? So that's it, and let's go back to the vlog.
So as you can see, the technicals look great. The outlook this week looks great. The Tom Lee end of year rally looks great to come. So everything looks pretty amazing. Okay. So I think that this is something very, very well established till the end of the year. And let me know in the comments what you think, and check out xtendaytrading.com if you want to be part of my personal group where we trade all done for you with our software into your broker. We will work with the biggest broker in the world, which is Interactive Brokers. So check it out and let me know once you schedule a call. Now, last but not least, BitMine follows a very normal pattern, okay? Once the stock is very oversold, you have this bounce backs, right? And this bounce backs will not be in one line. They will be like testing, like we saw in the chart, right? Testing levels, go a little bit down. Testing new levels, go a little bit down, and so on and so forth. So I think that the 35 levels and then the 40 level will be very important, but then is blue sky till the end of the year with the seasonality. Lots to come. So stay tuned, and I see you tomorrow for a brand new video. So make sure to subscribe and like, and don't forget the grass is greener always on the other side. Thank you very much for watching.